Picture this, waking up every morning and knowing your money is working for you, even while you sleep. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, in 2025, passive income isn't just a dream. It's something you can build with just a bit of effort upfront. Let's talk about 10 realistic and practical ways to start earning passive income. Whether you're a creative type, a problem solver, or just someone looking for extra cash flow, there's something for everyone. Let's jump in. 1. Invest in dividend-yielding funds. First up is investing in funds that pay you dividends. This is a way to grow your money while receiving periodic payouts just for holding onto your investments. It's a simple, long-term strategy. Start with a little, reinvest what you earn, and watch your returns grow over time. Imagine companies paying you just for holding their stock. 2. Rent out an unused asset. Do you have an asset sitting around collecting dust? Maybe a car, a bike, or even tools. Renting them out when you're not using them is a great way to earn passive income. For example, apps like Turo or Get Around make it simple to list your car for rent and start earning. You are putting what you already own to work, and with a little effort upfront, you could make hundreds every month. 3. Create digital resources. If you're creative, you can design digital resources like templates, guides, or even printable planners. Once created, these can be sold repeatedly online without needing to restock or ship. It's a perfect way to monetize your skills or ideas, and the best part is, once it's done, the income becomes passive. Whether it's an ebook, a planner, or a Notion template, you can create it once and sell it over and over again. 4. Launch a voiceover or music track. Do you have a great voice or a talent for music? Create recordings that can be licensed for use in videos, presentations, or other media. Once uploaded, these tracks can earn you income every time they are used. Simple, creative, and a perfect outlet for audio enthusiasts. 5. Share your expertise with a course if you're skilled at something. Whether it's graphic design, cooking, or coding, turn it into a course. Create bite-sized lessons and upload them for others to learn from. Education is a booming industry, and your knowledge could help others while earning you a steady income. 6. License your photography or artwork. If you love photography or design, why not license your work? Businesses, websites, and creators are always looking for visuals to use in their projects. Each time your work is used, you earn a fee. Upload your work to sites like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. Every download earns you money. It's a fantastic way to turn your passion into a passive income stream. 7. Build a membership community. Do you have a niche interest or expertise? Create a membership community where people pay for exclusive access to your insights, resources, or events. It could be anything like fitness tips, writing advice, or even gardening hacks. Build a strong community, and the income becomes consistent and reliable. 8. Publish a book or short guide. Do you have a story or some helpful advice? Self-publish it on platforms like Amazon Kindle. Passive royalties, here you come. 9. Create an app or tool. Even if you're not a developer, platforms like Bubble now make it easier than ever to create apps or tools. Focus on solving a specific problem and charge a small subscription fee to users, and those fees add up fast. 10. Set up an automated online shop. Lastly, consider creating an automated online shop. Once you've uploaded your products, whether they are digital downloads, handcrafted items, or even presets, the shop can handle transactions for you 24/7. Passive income isn't magic. It's about setting up systems that work for you over time. Start small, experiment, and watch your streams grow. Which of these ideas will you try? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial freedom tips.